In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do HDR in Lightroom Desktop in a quick, simple, and beginner-friendly way. HDR is perfect when you want to combine bracketed photos and bring out more detail in bright skies, dark shadows, and high-contrast scenes without making the image look unnatural. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom editing tips. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open Lightroom Desktop and import your bracketed photos. For the best results, use 3 to 5 images that were taken at different exposure levels. Once your photos are imported, select all of the bracketed shots you want to merge. You can do this by holding Ctrl and clicking each image one by one, or by selecting the whole set if they are already grouped together. After that, right-click on the selected photos and choose Merge Photos, then click HDR. If you prefer, you can also use the top menu and go to Photo, then Merge, then HDR. Both methods will take you to the same HDR merge window. Now the HDR settings pop-up will appear, and this is where you want to make a few important choices. First, turn Auto Align on. This is very important, especially if your camera moved even slightly between shots, or if you shot handheld. Auto Align helps Lightroom line everything up properly so the final merge looks clean. Next, you can choose Auto Settings if you want Lightroom to apply a starting adjustment automatically, but this part is optional. The next setting is Deghost Amount. If there was no movement in the scene, you can leave it on None, but if you photographed people, trees, water, clouds, or anything that moved between exposures, set Deghost to Low or Medium to reduce ghosting artifacts. Once your settings are ready, click Merge. Lightroom will now process the images and create a brand new HDR DNG file. You'll see this new file appear right next to your original photos in the library. This HDR file is the one you want to edit because it contains the combined dynamic range from all your bracketed shots. Now for the most important part. Open the new HDR photo and start adjusting it carefully. A good starting point is to pull highlights down somewhere between -70 and -100 to recover bright areas. Then raise shadows to around +50 to +80 to bring back detail in the darker parts of the image. After that, fine-tune whites and blacks to restore contrast and give the photo a balanced look. You can also add a little clarity, around +5 to +15, to bring out some extra texture, and increase vibrance by about +10 to enhance the colors without oversaturating them. The key here is not to overdo it. A natural HDR edit should look realistic, not overly sharp, crunchy, or fake. Keep the image balanced and let the detail speak for itself. If you run into a problem where the HDR option is not showing up, that usually means you selected only one photo instead of multiple bracketed images. If the result looks blurry, check whether Auto Align was turned off or whether the camera shook between shots. And if you see ghosting, go back and increase the deghost level so Lightroom can better handle movement in the scene. And that's how you do HDR in Lightroom Desktop the right way. Once you practice this a few times, the whole process becomes very fast and easy. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lightroom tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.